Recently, I heard the Lord speaking to many. In 2026, remember, less is more. When the Lord spoke these words, I could see many who were seeking the Lord for His direction and His leading for 2026. As they were seeking the Lord, I saw these ones had placed their whole lives on a table before the Lord and all that they are putting their hands to with Him. I could feel the strong sense of surrender and their whole lives being placed on the altar before Him. I then began to see Jesus take a number of things off the table. It was then that I heard the Lord say again, in 2026, remember, less is more. The sense then surrounded me that there were many in the body of Christ right now, that the Lord is taking things off the table for 2026, and that for many, the pace is shifting. But as the pace is shifting, as the Lord is taking things off the table, there is a refined focus and establishing that the Lord is bringing forth in 2026 in what He is having you put your hands to and build with Him. There are new things that the Lord is bringing to the table, but at the same time, there were things the Lord was taking off the table. I could feel many surprised at the move of the Lord's hand, bringing this refined, greater focus in 2026. But joy and such expectancy surrounded me in the spirit of the depth and the less that the Lord wanted to take these ones into in 2026. As I leaned into the Lord and listened to His heart, I heard, "My people, do not be dismayed or perturbed by the shift in pace and the things that I am taking off the table, even amongst the new things I have brought to the table. For I say unto you, as you move with me at my pace, and put your hands to the things that I am calling you to in 2026, you shall see greater fruitfulness and a move of my Spirit in the less than you have ever seen. I say unto you, be not caught up in the world's pace. Be not caught up in a pace of striving or running too far ahead. I say unto you that I am bringing you into a deeper place of rest of soul and intimacy with me, and I am bringing you into a deeper place of expansion in the things that I am calling you to put your hands to. I say unto you that I am refining your focus, I am refining your assignment and mission in greater ways in 2026. But in the less, you shall see some of the greatest strategic insight, wisdom, strategy, and move of my Spirit to build with me in ways you have not yet seen. I say unto you that where many of you have been running in survival mode for such a long time, I am bringing you deep into faith and soul rest in me, in the place of intimacy in 2026, and I am bringing your hearts into a deeper place of refreshment and strength in me. I say unto you, be not quick to run ahead, but continue to listen to the leading of my Spirit and the ways that I'm leading you. Be not pressured by the expectations of man or the pace of others, but move with me where I am moving. For where I have said less in 2026 for many of you, I say unto you that you shall see me do more than you have ever seen. I say unto you that there shall be great joy in my presence and in the move of my Spirit in these areas where I have called you to place your hand. I say unto you, oh, the intricate insight that you shall hear, see, and perceive in this place of refined focus. I say unto you that I am bringing you deep into a place where you may have your hands to less. I am bringing you deeper into my heart to hear my secrets and my strategies, to see what I am calling you to put your hands to flourish. I say unto you, do not change lanes, but remain where I have called you to remain. I say unto you, in the places where I have taken things off the table, I say unto you that there will be a great move of my Spirit to bring forth a maturing of what remains. I say unto you, as you yield to my ways and my pace in 2026, oh, the joy and life that you shall find in me and partnering with me in all I am doing. I say unto you, I am bringing you deeper into the place of intimacy and knowing my heart in 2026. I am bringing you into places of great harvest and a reaping of seeds sowed. For many of you, tears of sadness that have been sowed. In 2026, there shall be tears of joy in the restoration. Remember, Psalm 126 for 2026 will be seen in greater ways for many. Can you feel the winds of change surrounding you? I am bringing you deeper into a place of understanding my definition of expansion in your life for 2026, and how you shall rejoice in all that I am going to do and what we shall do together. Unprecedented fruitfulness as you move in obedience to where I'm leading you. and what I am calling you to put your hands to. Remember, my people, in 2026, less is more. Oh, my glory that shall be in your midst, greater than you have seen, even in the unexpected less.